This tutorial review will show you how to change Discord email without verification. Launch your Discord and click on user settings. Here you will find your email address. So click on edit, and to change you must need to verify your old email address in order to change it. So here is no option to change your email address without verify. So click on send verification code and you will get a verification code to your Gmail. All you have to do is just enter the code here. Click on next, and then you can change your email address here. And if you forgot your email account or you can't access your email account, and now let's see how you can recover your Discord account. To do that, open your browser and type here support.discord.com. Click on submit a request. At the what can we help you with drop down menu, select help and support. In the your email address text field, enter an active email address you have access to, as Discord will use it to contact with you. At the type of question drop down, choose Discord account credentials. At the Discord account credentials drop down, select I no longer have access to my email account. In the subject field, type account recovery. In the description box, describe why you are not able to access your account. You can upload screenshot attachments if you wish. Then click on submit. A confirmation similar to this will display. Your request was successfully submitted. Now wait for up to 3 business days for Discord to reply, letting you know what you need to do next. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.